What's up, freelancers? I have been able to achieve $28,000 on Upwork. As you can see on my screen, doing just 64 jobs. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you top secrets that have helped me make the difference, going from zero to $28K.
Some of the reasons why you struggle to get job on Upwork are: 1. You treat your profile like a resume. 2. You don't get invited to apply for job, and that is because your profile is not well optimized. 3. You write too long proposals that are a bit shady and too long for clients to read. So if you are struggling to land job on Upwork or wondering how others are crushing it, then this video is for you. I'm going to share top secrets most freelancers completely ignore, which affects the rate at which they get jobs or not. Let's get right into it.
So one of the top secrets to Upwork success or the ability to get more job in Upwork is a tool versus a skill. And most freelancers completely ignore this. And this is very important and play a vital role to how you are able to get job. And I'm going to explain in more details. Now, what is a tool? A tool can be a platform or a software or whatever. Then what is a skill? A skill can be data entry, copywriting. Okay. Now, knowing how these two work will determine the rate at which you are going to get job in Upwork. For example, let's say you have data entry skill. Okay, you have data entry skill, and then you are going to Upwork to apply for job. Now, assuming uh, the client is being data entry, let's take an instance data entry. We search the keyword data entry in Upwork. We are going to see several jobs type. Okay, so this one is data entry virtual assistant, Spanish needed. This one is data collection and organization. This one is virtual assistant for data entry. This one is data entry for ongoing project, data entry for ST shop remote worker. Okay, so these are several words, data entry job. Okay, so anyone who has the general data entry knowledge will be able to apply for this job, right? Times Upwork jobs do come not basically for your skills, but they mostly come for the tool. For example, now a client will be looking for a data entry specialist, but they are particularly on a software called Sage. There are a lot of several data entry software now. Using Sage as an example, as you can see, the job was posted 5 hours ago, and it is for Sage accounting expert for payroll management. This client is based in the US. He has 5-star review, and he has spent 4K plus in Upwork. So this is the difference between the skill and the tool. So you can have the data entry skill and have zero information about the stage 2, and that automatically disqualifies data entry specialists who does not know how to use stage software or stage 2 from this particular job. And this is one thing most freelancers do neglect. For example, again, you can see something called QuickBooks. So if you put it here, QuickBooks, you see the tag here in QuickBooks, QuickBooks Payroll, QuickBooks Cleanup. So showing QuickBooks, you see several jobs for the QuickBooks software. You can see all of them. This one is posted in 5 minutes ago. They are all for the QuickBooks software. Now, if you're just on your skill on data entry and you don't know this software, data entry software, you are going to miss out on a lot of opportunities that are available for you. You see, so do well to understand the difference between a skill and a tool. So what you do is when you have acquired a skill, do well to acquire knowledge on more tools that are associated with your skill, so that your service base is going to be broadened and you can smash a lot of opportunities that comes your way. This will create more job opportunity for you. And the second top secret is what? Job invitation. If you go to my profile, you scroll here, you're going to see job invitation. You see job invitation here. So you see, so if you're not invited to apply for job, you are missing out on free lead. I mean, in Upwork gives you a job invitation when the client invites you to apply for a job, you are no longer competing with all the freelancers in Upwork. They are only going to be competing with those people that were invited alongside you. So it reduces the competition. Now, for a client to also invite you for a job, it means that they have big interest in your profile. See, so they are already trusted in you, so you're going to spend less time trying to win the client over. You see, so that is the essential thing you need. You need to get job invitation. Now, the reason why you don't get job invitation is because of this whole thing. You're not starting a new job. You don't get this job milestone. You don't have 5 star. No client is repeating hiring you. You don't use your consistent project tag. You see, so the only way to get job invitation is when your profile is well, let's say, optimized, and other stuff you need to. So whenever you get a job in Upwork, you are likely to get another job because the Upwork will continue to recommend your profile to the next client. So you get a job in Upwork, be ready to get more and more job. Now, whenever you complete a job milestone in Upwork, also you likely to get more invitation for other job. You see, so learn how to break your job into several milestones so that it will create the what the to push it Upwork algorithm to send you more job invites. Then now 5 star rating. Now there's no substitute to your rating. If you're not getting 5 star rating or you don't have 100% job success score, it's going to affect how you get job repetition. Okay, so whenever your job success score is reduced, means that you will lack 5 star rating. You need more jobs to get 5 star rating to boost your job to score to above 90% or 100 at the dot. Then whenever a client hires you and hire you again, it sends signals to Upwork that you are a world competent freelancer, and they're going to also recommend more clients your way. So try to get repeating clients. And one way to get repeating clients is to turn your services in a way whereby the client will keep on hiring you over and over again. Okay, don't just keep on doing one off job. Keep doing repeating subscribing subscription based job so that the client will continue to what we order your service. That will send strong signals to Upwork algorithm to keep sending you more invite. Then now this is a consistent project. Now most freelancers are fond of applying for just any other job on Upwork because they want to secure a contract, but it can be hurtful on the long term. You see, so when you go to your when the client goes to your profile and see that the first job he did is on copywriting, the other job he did is on uh, community management, the other job he did on video editing, they will not take you that serious. They will not see you as a professional, and they will not want to trust their job with you. But when they go to your profile and they see the first job you do is on content writing, the second job is a content writing, the third job is content writing, then they will see that you are a great content writer and they want to give you their content writing job. So consistency of project tag is very, very essential to how you get job invitation. Now these are top two secrets of how you can be able to scale your Upwork journey. So if you're very new to Upwork and you want to get more knowledge to get started, I have done several videos that will teach you how I got my first Upwork job. I will leave the link to that video in the description of this one for you to go. And I will show you also how to write good proposal that will get you job faster. You also find the link in the description of this video. And I also teach you how to understand Upwork algorithm so that you'll be able to rank your profile even though you are a new freelancer and you have never gotten a job before. You also find that link in the description of this video. And last but not the least, I also teach you how to apply for job on Upwork with zero connect. I'll also leave the link to that video in the description of this video. Watch all this video and I wish you success in your freelance journey. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, cheers.